Everybody, how you doing? Hello, gardeners, backyard gardeners, porch gardeners, big time gardeners, and the like. I did another DIY. Tell me what you think. I made this trellis setup for my cucumbers and my squash. Are they companion? I gotta check that out. Anywho, these are flower stands that I had in my basement, and then that is a plate rack, a wrought iron plate rack that you hang up on the wall. And then the wooden one was a flower stand as well that I took apart. So I zip tied everything together, stuck it deep in the ground, and I think it might work. They can trellis all along this plate stand, plate rack, and all up and down these there's three rods on each one of these. And then they have a white one with the bars going across that they can trellis up. Tell me what you think. I'm frugal, very economical. I DIY things, use what I have. I'm on a budget, y'all. So you got to make it do what it do. Let me know what you think. I haven't planted things yet. We'll see.